Two steps to the light. Two steps to the light. He who steps to the light. Two steps from the light. I'm faced with reluctance and an arm's twist to help the mellow mood remain savvy as I commute within my beast, walk the streets talk. So I commune amongst the silent who speak in tongues. No need for hounds on my paper trail, trapped in misguided hell. To my avail, I was raised in the spark of grace that kept the frost off my harvest in the fall of men. I scrutinize every sector for alleged sin and stay oppressed on the faculties that karma made. I realize that we're all in the devil's shade. So then the flesh has a solidified dark side. I always wonder why the chauffeur came with the ride. How long to claim self's peace in eternal space? It's kinda hard when your thoughts in the dire state. Yet I struggle with realities manifest and stay prepared for the shocks of the final test. Two steps to the light. Two steps to the light. He who steps to the light. Two steps from the light. My ongoing teachers got me wrapped up in a cocoon like pupil stage hermetically. Queasily I move closer to illumination. My evolution's like the layers of the geosphere. My situation's like the darkest ride in the town. The Roman folk wanna lay me out on the ground. They call it paranoid light to think conspiracy. But yet I still hear them chains rattle in my sleep. And I done seen a lot of bodies thrown off the ship. They crack their whip by the lead hanging on their hip. And get up parted from the state when they stop your breath. And call it accidental death with a mark at. Ain't no justice out here for a black man. They wonder why we keep it steady on attack, man. Let's take a real deep breath, cause the voters high. Create solutions for the generation's elevation by stepping into the light. Two steps to the light. Two steps to the light. He who steps to the light. Two steps from the light. Two steps to the light. Two steps to the light. He who steps to the light. Two steps from the light.